Yo, guess who's back? That was a weird laugh, wasn't it? Oh man. Okay, so today I'm gonna be making my own paint. I know that sounds weird, but hear me out. I don't know about you guys, but I'm tired of this, okay? I'm tired of this. What is this? I'm tired of this. What is this stuff? I am tired of these meaningless tubes defining my creativity. So today I decided to make my own paint. I'm gonna be going out in the garden and I'm gonna pick some flowers and we're gonna make ourselves our own paint from flowers. This is the coolest thing ever. Or maybe I'm just doing this because I don't have enough paint. I'm broke. Subscribe, okay? Subscribe so that I can buy more paint. Please, 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 come on, please. Okay, so as you guys can see, it was like a very rainy day. I honestly don't know yet which flowers I should pick because like every flower brings something beautiful to the table. Yes, this is perfect. I can't wait to squeeze the paint and the colors out of this flower right here. You wanna know what else is amazing to squeeze? That subscribe button. Click that subscribe button. I'm gonna get a little bit of this. Yeah, maybe something like this. Something that, you know, pops out, makes the shadows and whatnot. All right, boys, we got our flowers right there and we got our palette. So classic palette right here. This is a legendary palette. If you're an artist and your palette is not as dirty as mine, you're not a consistent artist, my friend, because real artists' palettes are always the creepiest type of dirty. Okay, so we're gonna squeeze all the juices out of these flowers and we're gonna make some juicy paint. And yeah. Okay, so this is for the haters that keep saying my videos are fake. So basically I take a flower like this, put it in there, and then after that add a few drops of water, just like that. After that we start crushing. So here's where people get confused a lot. Some flowers don't actually and are not guaranteed to produce a certain type of coloring after squishing it like this. Some flowers basically just squash up, you know? Some flowers basically squash up and don't produce color to the water. And that's where a lot of people get confused. So what I would recommend some of you guys to do if you want to try some of this is make sure you Google which type of flowers actually produce that kind of, you know, that kind of coloring once squashed in water. So looks like we got our color right there, and we're gonna do the same with these other flowers as well. But let's get a sketch going on here and let's see how this turns out. Alright guys, so this is the final painting. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like it. You can see some of that green I extracted from the leaves as well. You can see them added in there. And I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below what you think about this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.